be doing my makeup today. Maddie, aka my sister, is going to be doing my makeup today. And first, we're going to be using Hollywood Flawless Filter on my face.
What are you doing?
Putting on my makeup. I'm scared.
Don't be scared. There you go.
Next, I'm going to be using Charlotte Tilbury Concealer. Second, we're going to be using the Hourglass Concealer. Next, we're going to be using Wet n Wild Bronzer. I think it's like a type of blush.
This is brown. Blush isn't normally brown.
Now we're going to use a liquid blush.
Where are we gonna put it?
My cheeks and right here and my nose.
Yep.
Now we're going to be using Fit Me powder for under my eyes. I'm going to blend it out with a big brush. Now that I don't look so crazy, I'm going to do a little bit of bronzer. Now we're going to do blush on my cheeks and my nose. Next, we're going to do some highlighter. Now we're going to put on a little bit of this blush stuff on my lips. Now that we're done with the base, we're going to use two different mascaras. The second thing I'm going to be using is Charlotte Tilbury from concealer. Next, we're going to be using the